gonna try to do something and probably fail. All right. We've seen. So if you're, why can't I speak? So if you've been on the internet recently, you've probably seen TikToks of these resin keychains. I just got so dizzy. Did you see my soul leave my body? You've probably seen those keychains, and I really want to try and make one. I've watched like a video on it and I feel like I can do it. I went to Michael's and I got some fun little thingies. But apparently you have to let this stuff dry for 2 days. So once I pour it in, I'm gonna have to just wait for 2 days. I have this weird thing. It's a mold, and I got letters because I want to do my initial with sparkles and flowers. So, is she okay? So, I guess you have to measure equal parts of A and B. I also have my second camera here so you can see what I'm doing. Also, look at these sparkles. It was kind of supposed to be like my summer color, and now it's September. So you know a fall shopping haul is coming. And I got these little flowers because they're the cutest thing I could find in Michael's. I guess you measure it out and then you pour it into something together and then you pour it into your mold. I guess, should I just pour it into, like, did we get 3 because of having to? I don't know. All right, let's just do this. If I get it wrong, then I'm gonna be sad. Oh, ew, it's sticky. Is it okay to get it on your hands? Do not get in eyes or on skin. Am I supposed to be wearing gloves? Wear rubber gloves and safety glasses? I'm gonna wash my hands. Imagine I die from making a little sparkly floral keychain from TikTok. That would be so sad. Oh. Don't you hate when that happens? When the top thing splits in half, so all you got was half of the cover? Oh, come on. So, from watching videos, I've seen that you have to pour half into the mold, put your little flowers and sparkles and stuff, and then do the other half on top of it and let it sit. I also heard you're supposed to put like Vaseline or something to make it easier to pop out, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Maybe I'll get some oil. You think olive oil is okay? Just wipe that all into this mold here. All right, so I'm gonna be measuring, what is that? Ooh, half and half, and then pour them into that third one. Do 15 and 15. Ooh. 15, what? Wow. You can't even see what it says anymore. What? That's crazy looking. And then this is A. Ooh, A is thick. She got a thick A. Okay. I'm gonna pour equal parts into this cup here. So I'll zoom in, don't worry, it'll be really high quality and good. And then you stir it. Ooh. The girl that I watched the video stirred it. She's like 5 minutes later. 5 minutes? That's longer than a David Dobrik video. I'm supposed to stir that long. I think we'll be fine. Sorry about the sound of my kitchen in the background. Hopefully it's not that noticeable. It's the refrigerator.
It's where I keep my friends.
I did not mean it like that. I meant my food is my friend, not like my It's becoming clear again. It kind of went from being foggy to clear, which is really interesting. Okay, so now it's dripping down the side. Oh my god, it got all over my hand, all over my hand. This camera's still going. Great. Okay. All right, and now I'll put the little fun things in. Look at that tripod. Should I do a bunch of different colored flowers or just the green ones to match the green sparkles? That could be kind of cute. No, I'll do multiple colors. Okay, you convinced me. All right. I am shaking so much. Get a little orange in there. Oh, it's getting all wet and soggy looking. I didn't really think about that. Ew, it looks gross. Oh, it looks bad. I'm sad. Do you think it'll look bad still? Like, they definitely won't dry, right? Do another bright blue one there. It looks poopy. All right, now I'm gonna put the sparkles in. Maybe that'll save it. Does this come off? Wow, these are gonna go everywhere. But they're so pretty. I'm not even mad. Why is this not turning out good? Should I put more flowers? Maybe I should. Let's do that. Maybe that'll save it. Is it bad that my fingers are hurting? And I'm gonna pour the rest of it over top. Oh, it got so ugly. Was I supposed to wait for that to dry? It looks so bad. I don't even want to wait 2 days for this. Guys, this is what it looks like. And I'm honestly not feeling it at all. I thought the colors were gonna be nice and bright and fun, and they look like that. Also, my hand hurts, like it's burning, and I'm really stressed out. Maybe I should have just not done this at all. This is what happens when I try and overachieve and do a real YouTube video. I burn my skin and it looks like poop. That should be a motto somewhere. When you try too hard, sometimes life makes the thing that you tried hard to do look like poop and your skin burns off. I tried. This is a realistic, if you tried this, I bet you would do this too. No, I'm not gonna say that because that's mean. I believe in you. I'm sure you would do so much better than me. Okay guys, well, that is all I can do today, and now I wait forever. Hopefully it doesn't look as bad as it looks right now. That would be great. My expectations are so low right now. Like anything that this does that doesn't look like this that it turns out as would be good. Can't believe I'm waiting 2 days for this. This is gonna sit on the counter looking like this, and everyone's gonna be like, wow, is that what you did? That's what you spent your time doing today? We'll be back in 2 days to see what this looks like. Hello. It's actually 1 day later because that is hard. It's dry. The person lied to me and said it was 2 days. But it's not 2 days. It's 1. And there was the most complicated way to explain that. The video that I watched with the girl that lied to me, hello. I have to light this nail on fire and then like pierce it through to put the keychain on. And that just seems like a lot. Let's try and get it out of the mold, shall we? It still looks ugly, so that's good. Oh, shit. Are you ready? This is like birth. Oh my goodness. It's actually not super disgusting. The flowers kind of overlapped each other when I poured the second layer. Now let's not get ahead of ourselves because now I have to light this nail on fire. One of my dog's hairs is stuck in it. Yummy. Next step. We probably did the easiest part yesterday, which is what frightens me. I guess I'll put it on this put it on this blank corner. I don't think I'm gonna do the whole width because it's pretty thick, but if I were to do it kind of diagonally, like through one of the edges, maybe it would work. Oh my goodness, this is nerve-wracking. First things first, we have to light this on fire. Do not try this at home. Am I gonna burn myself? So I don't know how long you're supposed to hold it for. Ow, it got hot. Ow. Great job. That was a great first try. Sometimes you fail in life and you have to pick yourself up and try again. What if we didn't make this a keychain? That would be a lot better, wouldn't it? Okay, we're making some progress. I'm sweating so much. How was your day today, guys? I went shopping at Target and got a candle. And then I went to Michael's and I got a planner. I kinda wanna cry. I'm so sweaty. This is such a fail. No, it won't be a fail. I'm not gonna give up. How did this girl so casually just
Light a nail on fire and stick it through,
This is how far we've gotten. Fabulous. You wanna see? That's what we've done so far. That was a big push. I think I'm getting the hang of this. I'm like not strong enough. We're getting so close, guys. I suggest if you ever want to do this craft, get the mold that already has the keychain hole in it. 1 hour later. Oh, you got it through. Now I have to pull it out. Check it out, guys. Now it's to try and get the keychain on it. No, I'm not gonna use my teeth. I thought about it. Oh, wow, I just got dizzy. I got it. Okay, let's try and get this keychain through. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. Ooh. Yes. I did it. I literally didn't think I was gonna be able to do this. I'm so sweaty. I bet people that do this for like a living and make these little keychains and sell them on Etsy watch this and was just like,
wow, how did she manage to actually do that the whole thing, in the hardest way possible?
and to that I say, I don't know, it's just a talent.
We did it!
The only thing I have to say is I just wish there were more sparkles in it. I thought I was like overkilling it with the sparkles, and it's like there aren't even any in there really. I'm nitpicking because I actually did it and I have something out of all of that, all the sweat and tears and burning my fingers. Wow, both steps I burned my fingers. Isn't that funny? It's so funny. But yeah, we did it. Thank you. Thank you for coming along this journey with me. I'm never ever going to do this ever again. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that whole process. I feel truly bonded with you guys over that. Let me know if there's any other crafts that you guys like to do that I can try that might not be as terrible as that. Maybe I'll try another resin thing if you guys really want me to, but you would have to have a really good argument as to why. I'm gonna go eat Oreos for real this time. Also, do you like my September eye look? I'm feeling it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and rain or shine, I'll have a video next week. Don't miss it because it'll probably be mediocre. Bye friends!